Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A24. And for that you will need next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, so you have been the phone previously, and here you will find this SIM ejection tool. Just flap the wings a bit to release it. And otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. In this SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card. Okay, so let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it here in the middle. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs here to the missing corner on the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. And if you want, you can optionally also insert a second SIM card. It belongs to the first position, don't know why, but it's like that. So also the same thing, also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, and if you want, you can extend also the internal storage with a micro SD card. You need to place it here at the last position, press a bit, that's where I insert it. So, and this is how it should look like then. Of course, you can use the micro SD card also with just one SIM card, anyhow if it's one or two. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and if you're finished with, just put your construction back into the SIM slot, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in it. Some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.